Hey guys, Ron here. It's Saturday. Look what we got from DJI. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a conversion of the Inspire 1 to the Inspire 1 Pro with the X5S camera. And that's the large style gimbal mount. And I'm not going to bore you guys with the details of doing the installation because there's a million of those. But we'll be back when we get it done and I'll show you what's going on. Also be able to put it on the Osmo as well. Okay, out for now. Happy flying. Alright guys, Ron here. We got the new gimbal board plugged in. Got the old X3 still in there. Got the leg extensions on there. And as soon as we get the camera, we'll bring that in, check it out and do a video on that. So you see that? All done, finished, and ready to go. So you can see the suspension's a little heavier, a little stiffer, and definitely ready to carry more weight. Plus the height extenders on the legs give you the height for the new camera not to crash into the grass or the ground when you're doing your thing. Alright guys. Hey guys, more educational TV. So here's the finished product. Got the risers, bundle landing gear. Got the updated board. Got the updated gimbal board, and next step will be putting the camera in. Waiting for the camera to come in the mail. Alright guys. Also got a Crystal Sky monitor coming. I'm very interested in that. Should be very interesting. Alright guys, out for now. And also got the X5 adapter for the Osmo. Looks like it's going to be kind of heavy, but it's probably worth doing. Alright guys, out for now. Happy flying. See you later. Okay guys, Ron here. You know how much I love to make a good deal. So the reason I'm doing all this is because I found an X5, brand new X5 camera on Craigslist in Manhattan, in New York City. The guy, I say, lost his drone or crashed it or got stolen. And he's got the camera, and they're $1,800 new. And the cheapest one I've seen used is $1,200. I got it for like $800, brand new. I gotta go pick it up. So that's why I'm doing all these mods. But anyway, here's the X5 adapter for Osmo. Check this out. I'm telling you, I'm becoming a DJI fanboy, because the quality of all this stuff is just pretty amazing. This is the X5 adapter for the Osmo. Allows you to use the X5 on the Osmo where the X3 normally is. So it's an easy install. So that'll be fun. Plus I had to cut the little nubs off the top of the riser of that vibration board. The gimbal board. Alright, I'm also going to upgrade these propeller locks eventually to the latest style, which is the twist lock. This is the push and twist, you know, the ones with the internal little switches, like you press them in and then just pull the switches over. So that'll be another project. Alright guys, just want to give you an update. It's all because of good deals that this stuff happens. It's crazy. But I can't help it, you know. Alright guys, you can see the place is a wreck. I've been working on a lot of projects. Also, I'm building an editing computer. I'm going to use a 12-core AMD CPU with a built-in GPU, with a built-in graphics processor. You can also use an external. I want to see how it does. 16 gigs of RAM, 122 gigs of SDD for operating system, and then like 16 terabytes of regular storage. So that'll be fun. Once I get that thing going, I'll make a video about that too. Alright guys, so when the X5 comes, I'll finish up this conversion, show you guys, and we'll go fly the son of a gun. Alright? Alright, thank you. Have fun. Keep watching my stuff. Look for the giveaways. Still got a lot of stuff to give away. And out for now. Keep flying. Happy flying. See ya.